The deployment of our strategic plan is so important to its success. Once the plan is developed, it will need to be effectively communicated and implemented across the entire LSR 7 school district to ensure that everyone is aligned and working toward the same goals. Here is how our core planning team will deploy the strategic plan. We will provide clear communication district-wide. We will ensure that the plan is communicated clearly to all of the district. This will include presentations to various school staffs, meetings with community stakeholders, and updates to our parents and families. Effective communication will ensure that everyone understands our mission, vision, and student learning targets and knows their role in achieving them. We will also be providing professional development for our staff. This targeted PD will ensure that teachers and staff have the skills and knowledge that they need in order to implement the strategies effectively. Training will focus on areas like curriculum implementation, student engagement, and data-driven instruction, all of which are critical for us to meet our student needs. As we continue through the deployment of the strategic plan, we will consider that every level of our district will be included. This is ensuring that it is not just a top-down directive, but a collective effort that will engage all stakeholders in the process. The multi-tiered approach ensures that every part of the system plays an active role in achieving our student achievement goals, and here's how it will look. At the classroom level, the focus will be on aligning daily instruction with the district's strategic goals and student learning targets. Teachers will receive professional development that equips them with the tools and the strategies needed to effectively implement curriculum, engage students, and assess their progress towards achieving learning targets. Teachers will be encouraged to use data-driven practices, look at assessments to track student growth, and adjust instruction as needed. At the school level, school leaders will play an important role in supporting the district's strategic plan. They will ensure the plan is tailored to the specific needs of their school while maintaining alignment with district-wide goals. This includes setting school-specific targets through their building improvement plan or their BIP, creating action plans, and ensuring their resources are allocated in alignment to support the goals of the strategic plan. Schools will also be encouraged to involve families and the local school community in supporting the plan. At the district level, the core planning team, including administrators and the superintendent, will oversee the alignment and execution of the strategic district-wide plan. This includes setting clear district goals, providing PD or professional development for school leaders, and ensure that schools have the resources they need to support the support that they need to be successful. The district leadership will regularly assess progress and track performance through different metrics. They will also serve as a liaison to external stakeholders such as the school board, community members, and local businesses. The multi-tiered approach taken by the core planning team ensures that the strategic plan is not a one-time initiative, but really for us, it will be a continuous process that is deeply embedded to our LSR 7 district culture. Every individual, from teachers in the classroom to principals to district leaders, should have a role in driving the plan's success. Finally, we will establish regular monitoring and feedback loops to track progress and adjust strategies as needed. These feedback loops will be essential for us so that we can keep the plan on track and ensure we're meeting goals. We will continuously assess whether initiatives are having the intended impact on student achievement by gathering data from various sources. The feedback loop will include data collection at regular intervals, stakeholder feedback from teachers, students, parents, and community members, and frequent check-ins and reviews, meeting with school leaders and the core planning team to evaluate progress and identify any roadblocks that may be present. If the data shows us that certain initiatives are not yielding the desired outcomes we wish for, we will make data-informed adjustments to our strategies and make revisions. This process will allow us to stay flexible and responsive to the evolving needs of our students, staff, and community, and showing that we are always striving to make improvements. Assessing the successes and challenges of the strategic plan will be essential to us ensuring that we are making progress towards improving student achievement. We will do this starting with continuous monitoring. We will collect ongoing feedback from students, teachers, parents, and school leaders to make sure we're staying on course. This feedback can show us potential barriers early on so we can adjust our strategies as needed. We will look at how well we are meeting the needs of our students and meeting the student learning targets and whether adjustments need to be made. And this continuous feedback loop will ensure that we stay flexible and responsive throughout the implementation process. We will also be looking at our balanced scorecard, and we'll use this to track our progress. The scorecards are an essential tool for us to use to measure the effectiveness of our plan across several key areas. This scorecard will track critical key performance indicators like student achievement. Are we meeting students' needs? Are we exceeding their learning targets? Teacher effectiveness. How well are our educators implementing the strategies and delivering instruction? Community involvement. How engaged are our families, our businesses, and other community partners in supporting our goals? And finally, resource allocation. Are resources being distributed efficiently to support our strategic priorities? We will also be sharing updates with our stakeholders. Regular updates will be shared to keep everyone informed of our progress. This transparency will help maintain community support and ensure that all parties are aware of where we are excelling and also where more work is needed. If the data shows that certain areas are continuing to not meet expectation, again, we will make adjustments to the plan as necessary. We'll use data-informed decisions about how to course correct and keep improving. This process ensures that we are always moving towards our goal and addressing their challenges proactively. For our communication with the public, we believe effective communication with public is essential to keeping our community informed about the progress of our strategic plan and to maintain trust and transparency. Here's how the core planning team will share results with stakeholders. First, we'll provide regular updates through multiple channels such as newsletters, the district website, social media, and community meetings. These updates will ensure that all stakeholders, including parents, students, teachers, and community members, are kept informed about our ongoing progress and key developments. We'll also utilize annual reports. Each year, we will publish an annual report that highlights the progress on student achievement as well as areas that may need improvement. These reports will provide a clear overview of how we're meeting our goals, which initiatives are working well and succeeding, and where additional efforts are required to ensure continuous growth. Finally, we will be providing and communicating transparency in data reporting. To maintain trust and accountability, we will be transparent in our data reporting. We will share clear, accessible data on our performance metrics, such as student outcomes, teacher effectiveness, and community engagement. This transparency should help build confidence in our efforts to ensure that the public can see the tangible impact of our strategic plan. In conclusion, our strategic planning process will be rooted in collaboration, data-driven decision-making, and ongoing evaluation. By engaging a wide range of stakeholders, we will ensure that our plan reflects the needs and priorities of our entire community. The strategic plan will focus on continuous improvement, making adjustments as needed to ensure we're always working toward the highest level of student achievement. The key to its success will be our commitment to regularly assessing progress, adjusting strategies, and maintaining the open communication with all stakeholders. By doing so, we can ensure that we stay focused, flexible, and responsive in achieving our goals. Thank you for your time and attention this evening. I'm happy to address any thoughts or concerns you may have regarding the strategic plan process and how it will help improve our student achievement across the Lee Summit R7 School District. Thank you.